Welcome to our May 2025 update on the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail Mass Transit Phase 2 construction. This ambitious project is set to transform urban mobility in Nigeria's bustling commercial capital, Lagos. The Lagos BlueLine is a 27-kilometer electric rail stretching from Marina to Okokomaiko, featuring 13 stations. Phase 1, covering Marina to Mile 2, commenced operation in September 2023 and has already served over 2 million passengers. Phase 2 extends the line from Mile 2 to Okokomaiko, adding 6 new stations: Festac, Alakija, Trade Fair, Vajin, Lasu, and Okokomaiko. As of May 2025, this is the level of construction made so far on the Phase 2 of this project. This is Okokomaiko, Lagos, Nigeria. From here, we'll be seeing the progress on this project down to Mile 2, where it connects with the Phase 1. This is Okoko Station, the last station on the Phase 2 of the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail Mass Transit. The station is all taken shape right here in Okoko, Lagos, Nigeria. Heading towards the retrack, progress is visible. Excavation work is done. Sand filling is ongoing to meet up with the final road level. This is the retrack heading towards Lasu. Grading and sand filling is ongoing from Okokomaiko heading towards the Lasu station. This is PPL Alabarago heading towards the Lasu station. This is a Lasu station. Unlike the Okoko station that we just saw, this station is still at the pillar level. Taking has not started up on this section, and it has been like this for some time now. Although trail track are getting attention, other stations also getting attention, which you will see as we make progress in this video. But as of May 2025, this is the progress achieved at the Lasu station on the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail mass transit. This is a platform for the train station. Work is ongoing on the platform. Some of the projects going on along the construction of this rail line is pedestrian bridges and BRT bus shelter. This is a Lasu bus shelter. It has come a long way, and the pedestrian bridge here at Lasu has come a long way. And we're approaching the Lasu flyover for the rail track. This is one of the elevated points on the phase 2 of the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail mass transit. We'll have 3 of them. You'll see them as we make progress. The progress on the Lasu bridge, pillars are fully formed, decking is underway. This is the progress they made on the Lasu bridge, otherwise known as Yanoba Bridge. The next station after here is the Vajin station, and we're approaching this is Yanoba approaching Vos. This is Vajin. Like I mentioned before, pedestrian bridge, bus shelters are also under construction. Up on this section, they've done so well with the pedestrian bridge and bus shelter. This is the Vajin station. Right here, this is the amount of progress made on the station. Like what we saw at the Lasu, this Vajin station is still at the pillar level. The platform, work is ongoing on the platform. This is the amount of progress made on the platform. You know what? Let me take you around the stations for us to see, have a closer view and proper view of what the station look like as of May 2025. From what you're seeing on the screen, we have machines dropping materials for the construction of the gutter. Moving forward on the rail track, they've made significant progress on the rail track. Up on this section, this will be the platform, so work is ongoing on the platform. After the platform, heading towards Ojo Barracks, the road has gotten to final road level, graded with granites. This is what we have heading towards the trade fair station. Approaching the Ojo Barracks, they've also done well on the pedestrian bridge and the bus shelter on the Ojo Barracks. Ahead of us is the bus shelter and the pedestrian bridge at Ojo Barracks. The next station is the trade fair station. This is a trade fair station, the number 3 station on the phase 2 of the Lagos BlueLine Metro Mass Transit. The station, unlike the Lasu and the Vajin station, this station is taking shape like we saw at Okokomaiko. This is the amount of progress made so far on the trade fair station. Let's explore. Progress on the trade fair station is visible. The station is at the decking level, and this is the amount of progress made so far as of May 2025. This is a platform of the station. This is the progress made so far on the platform, heading towards the rail track. The next station from here will be the Alakija station. Approaching the trade fair underbridge, sand filling is ongoing, while after the underbridge, the road has gotten to final road level, graded with granite, which you will see as we make progress. This is the trade fair underbridge. This is heading towards Apolado. From here, you will see that the road has been sand-filled up to final road level, graded with granite, as you can see on the screen, heading towards the Alakija train station. The progress continues heading towards the Alakija station after Abulado, and we're heading right there. These stations will have a pedestrian bridge to be able to access the station when fully completed. Construction of a pedestrian bridge has commenced on this station. This is the Alakija train station. Progress is visible. We're moving from Alakija station, heading towards the Alakija underbridge, Alakija flyover being the second elevated point on this project. We are going to see the amount of progress made so far as of May 2025. Stay low, guys. This is a platform. Work is ongoing on the platform, also on the rail track. Some filling is ongoing on the rail track. This is the Alakija interchange. Just after the Alakija interchange, there's a flyover under construction for the rail track. The pillars are fully formed. Decking is underway. In fact, this is the amount of progress made so far as of May 2025. This is how far construction on the Alakija flyover have come. Ahead of us is the Festac train station, the first station on the phase 2 of the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail Mass Transit. We are going there next. This is the Festac train station, and this is the amount of progress they've made so far on the station. In fact, this is the station with the highest work progress, and this is the first station on the phase 2 of the Lagos BlueLine Metro Rail Mass Transit. The pedestrian bridge are taking shape up here. The stations are fully formed, and this is what we have on the Festac train station. This is the pillar for the pedestrian bridge under construction, connecting the BRT bus shelter and the train station. Coming from Alakija, this is the progress made so far approaching the Festac train station down to Festac First Gate and Maza Maza, subsequently to where it connects to Mile 2. Looking ahead, heading towards the Mile 2, this is the progress made so far on the rail track. Just 1 kilometer away from the Festac train station, the road is fully sand-filled to the final road level, graded with granite. This is the Festac first kit, Maza Maza, and this is where the sand filling has gotten to. Up here we have a bridge under construction, a flyover being the first bridge under construction on the phase 2 of the Lagos Blue Line Metro Rail. This is the first bridge under construction for the Blue Line phase 2. Also, this is where the phase 1 and the phase 2 will connect. Right here, this is the work progress on this section of the project. Formation of pillar is underway here at Maza Maza. This is the progress as of May 2025. This is where we'll conclude this video, to be continued next time. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video for the almighty algorithm so it will get more eyeball. And if you're not yet a subscriber of this channel, if you like what you saw, I believe this is the right place for you to be. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button for you to see our next video. I remain your boy, OZ. Follow the one showing next on your screen. Let's continue from there.